Today we are going to learn the new chapter in mathematics paper second, third chapter circle. आज आपण गणित भाग 2 या पेपर मधील प्रकरण नंबर 3 वर्तुळ या प्रकरणाचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. To start the chapter circle, before it we have to learn some basic concept. When you understand some basic concept, when you learn AZ, the chapter circle. First, what is mean by circle? The definition of circle is the set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. एका स्थिर बिंदूपासून समान अंतरावर असणाऱ्या सर्व बिंदूच्या संचाला वर्तुळ असे म्हणतात. In this figure, this point is a fixed point. You name the point is O. Therefore, point O is a fixed point in a plane. From fixed point are equal distance is the segment OA, segment OB, segment OC, segment OD, and segment OE. All points A, B, C, D, and E are equidistant from a fixed point O. Therefore, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OE. Hence, this figure is a circle. Some important terms related to the circle. काही सर्कल संबंधी महत्वाच्या बाबी. First term is the center of a circle. The fixed point is called the center of circle. In this figure, the point O is the center of circle. Second term is the radius of circle. The segment joining the center of the circle and a point on the circle is called radius of the circle. In figure, segment OA is the radius of circle. Third term, chord of circle. The segment joining any point of the circle is called chord of the circle. वर्तुळाची जीवा. वर्तुळावरील कोणत्याही दोन बिंदूंना जोडणारा रेषाखंड म्हणजे त्या वर्तुळाची जीवा. In a figure, segment PQ is the chord of circle. And next term is diameter of the circle. वर्तुळाचा व्यास. A chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter of the circle. वर्तुळाची जी जीवा वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रातून जाते त्या जीवेला त्या वर्तुळाचा व्यास म्हणतात. In figure, segment LM is diameter of circle. In this way, in figure, O is the center of circle, Segment OA is radius of circle. Segment PQ is chord of circle, and segment LM is diameter of the circle. You remember important points. First point, radii of same circle are equal in length. एकाच वर्तुळाच्या सर्व त्रिज्या समान लांबीच्या म्हणजेच एकरूप असतात. सेकंड पॉइंट, डायमीटर ऑफ अ सेम सर्कल आर इक्वल इन लेंथ. एकाच वर्तुळाच्या सर्व व्यास एकरूप असतात. and relation with radius and diameter. First, diameter is a twice of radius. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 times radius. वर्तुळाचा व्यास त्रिज्येच्या दुप्पट असतो. Second, radius is a half of diameter. Therefore, radius is equal to half multiply diameter. वर्तुळाची त्रिज्या व्यासाच्या निमपट असते.